Hi, we are from Team Hack of Geek Reboot 2020. Here is our working prototype of the application named CSA, which is COVID Safe Attendance, used to capture in and out time of the employees using QR code system. In this demo, I'll be using two devices to show the different functionalities of employee and the admin applications. Once we open the application, it heads out to the login form to provide username and password as the first level of authentication. In case if the user forgets password by any chance, they can reset using forgot password option. And this will send the link to the registered email ID to regenerate their password. Let's sign into the application. And this will prompt the user to provide fingerprint data as the second level of authentication. Once the user has been identified, we will use the other features to mark their attendance. In the employee application, there are three main features. The first and the foremost is QR code, which is used to generate the code, which is valid only for 30 seconds. If the user failed to scan within 30 seconds, they can regenerate the code using the same option. In the similar manner, in the admin application, the most important feature is scanner, which is used to scan the QR code generated by the employees. Let's generate a QR code in the employee application and scan it using the admin application, which says attendance has been marked. And in order to check the logged times, we need to use the time log feature. There's an option to get the details, which fetches the in and out time of the employees for a specific day. If the user wants to use the existing QR code which has not been generated in the last 30 seconds, then the scanner code will display it as an invalid code. Let's test that too. It says the QR code is invalid. And the time log feature in the admin application is used to check the in and out time of the all employees who has been logged for the current day. And finally, the logout feature is used to sign out from the application. Thank you.